How to fix 0x80040003, unexpected printer configuration problem on Windows. 1. Run printer troubleshooter. 2. Run HP print and scan doctor. 3. Update your printer driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Uninstall, via device manager, and reinstall your printer driver. 5. Delete and add the printer again. 6. Clear print spooler. 6.1 Stop the print spooler service from running. 6.2 Delete items at C:\Windows/System32 /spool/printers.